We in the Aston right now, man. Feeling like James Bond in this bitch.
Goddamn, you cut up on it.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Nowadays you don't know who gonna who fade. It's time to be trusting, niggas be snakes. Every day my birthday, I'm getting that cake. If it touch my hands, I'ma make it shake. Still busting down, selling apes and quakes. Jigging them things, watching out for the jakes. These wanna be
Fresh. Yeah. F430 convertible. Yeah, that's clean, way. Yes, sir. 6.3 liter AMG. Y'all see it, man. Stamp. Carbon fiber splitter on there. Let me guess. License and registration. Yes, sir. You know she moving. E63. Look at this here, man. It is clean. 96 Grand Sport. Whew. Yeah, that blue something different. She is clean. Got a little bit of red on there. That's dope. Yeah, that is pristine condition. Official. One of only two. What? That's crazy, bro. One of two. She clean. Got the McLaren 650S. That joint's clean. Pressure. Another one. Like my man Cali would say, another one. 650S. Beautiful day to bring these out, man. Beautiful day. This is crazy. All this money in one spot. Got the R8 right here. Subaru. All the Aston Jeeps. Easy 250. Easy 250. Yeah. This shit crazy. Open the door on one of these joints. Easy 250,000. This is crazy. Hand built. Great Britain. Pressure. Straight pressure, man. That shit's crazy. That paint is something serious, man. Y'all see them sparkles. 488 over here. Super clean, man. Super clean. If I was to get an exotic, it would be a Ferrari. This shit crazy. That Ferrari red, man. You cannot go wrong. Porsche, old school Mozzie. You got the convertible Aston over here, boy. That shit clean. Oh my gosh. That is pressure. Got the Maserati right here, man. Carbon forged all the way down from the roof to the hood. 2015, man. That's clean. That is clean. Twin turbos in there, huh? Y'all see the carbon forged right there. The Vet 2019 C7 6-speed. Yeah, she clean, boy. Wicker bill on there. That exhaust that always gets me, man. Love it. Right there in the middle. That thing be humming too. GT350, man. These only come in manuals. Straight pressure. 2016. Hand built with pride. Yeah, that engine bay is clean. Get the interior for y'all real quick. Told you. Manual.
Gosh, it's tedious, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Use a little razor blade?
Yeah.
And a rubber thing.
Yes, sir.
Is that Scat Pack?
Yes, sir.
Scat Pack.
I made
my nephew has a Scat Pack. 450 horsepower. It's a rocket ship.
I love it, man. I love every second of it. I love it.
It's such a great looking body style. It's better looking. I can't believe it because I love the vintage ones. I got a 64 Sport Fury right up there. I'm a Mopar guy. So
okay.
I like Chrysler, Dodge, Plymouth.
I see you right.
You see it? Your Mopar? But that doesn't, that doesn't have the power you got. I mean, the muscle car era is right now.
Yes, sir.
Not back then. Slamming? Yeah, I'm not slamming. I got a stroker. I got to take care of it. But your car is a darn rocket ship. I'm telling you. I love it.
And
my nephew put 10,000 miles on this car, and his insurance was crazy high. Even though he never got pulled over, he's 24 years old. And he sold it, made $3,000 after putting 10,000 miles on it.
I'm telling you, they hold their value.
Detroit, Michigan, where he sold it. I mean, they are crazy, their value.
Yes, sir.
The Challenger, the Jeep, and the Ram trucks. How will the Ram trucks keep their value?
I have no idea, but when they threw that Hellcat motor in there, it went crazy. But
yours purrs. I mean, yours roars. Really.
Yeah.
I mean, the sound is unbelievable.
Yeah, it can't get away from you though.
Yes, it can. You be careful, right?
Yeah.
It's rear-wheel drive, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I actually flew out to San Antonio and bought it.
Did you?
Drove it all the way back.
Huh.
Yeah.
It was a special one you were looking for, and
price was unbeatable.
Okay.
So I flew out there, drove it all the way back.
And then you did the stripes later.
Yep.
Okay. And is your body black or blue?
Black.
Black. Okay. And then your stripes are red, white, and
it's just red and white. I did the white first, and then I put 2 red on the outside.
And was it made to be off center, or was it? Oh, okay.
Yeah. I want to do something different.
Because I've
Something
never
different.
seen that from the factory. Do you ever watch that show? It's a complete waste of time, called Breaking Bad.
Sometimes.
You know, it's so unrealistic. I mean, people love that show. I don't think it was that great. But Eisenberg, the main character, he had a he had a red Mopar, just like yours, Challenger, with black stripes from the factory in the center too. That was pretty sweet.
Yeah.
But I like yours better.
I appreciate
it's a little
that,
more unique, you know?
I appreciate that,
Yeah,
man.
awesome.
It was nice meeting you,
Nice
man.
meeting you.
Say-
Have fun with that car.
Hey, I'm gonna check this one out. He said it was open, right? Oh my goodness. Hard, bro. This shit hard. He said he got the swan doors, they swing up so you don't hit the curb. My goodness. I'm about to sit in this Aston. Woo! Y'all see it from my point of view, man. This is crazy. Ain't no back seat back here, man. I'm in the Aston right now. We in the Aston right now, man. Feeling like James Bond in this bitch. This is crazy, bro. I can't even make this up, man. No kizzy. No cap. Look at the door swinging up. That is crazy. We just hopped out the Aston Martin. I am gonna have one of these one day, man. Speak that shit into existence. Whew. Y'all see where we at, man. Nothing but farms. Nothing but a Maseratis, Porsches. Got a Scat over there. Alfa Romeos. Hey, what's up, what's up? I'm gonna go check out my guy's Mopar up here. He just told me about. Oh, check him out real quick. Oh, that's clean right there. 392. Phew. Sport Fury. Yes, sir. She clean, my man. Yeah, he went online. That is clean. Y'all already know how we coming. If y'all haven't seen the car on the channel, if you haven't watched any of the previous videos, here she is, bro. Here she is. It's a 6.4. Why? Because it's a 6.4 V8. Yes, sir. Lumbar pressure right here, baby. Y'all see a G-Wagon. Aston, Aston, Aston. 6.7 liter power stroke. Got the Stang down there, fully electric. Yeah, gang, y'all seen all the exotics. What we done hopped in, man. What we done got to experience from my point of view. I hope y'all enjoyed this content, man. Before y'all leave, though, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. Like the videos and share them, man. We going up all 2021, man. Y'all know how it's going. Yes, sir. Until next time.